Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change apps permissions on Motorola Moto G52. Let's go! Okay guys, what you need to do is you need to go to settings, then you scroll down to security and privacy, scroll down again, you click privacy and your permission manager, you click it and you then select some of your apps, for example camera, and let's take away the camera privilege or having permission to use camera. Well, as you can see, it doesn't use camera anymore. For example, microphone, let's take the camera also, allow it, and that's how you change permissions in apps on Motorola Moto G52. Thank you for watching, have a good day, goodbye.